I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a silica crucible using an easy method. First, always prioritize safety by allowing your crucible to cool below 200 degrees Celsius before touching it. Then, gently scrape any loose residue from both the inside and outside. Remember to always wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection throughout the entire cleaning process for your safety. Next, we move to chemical cleaning. For common metal oxide residues, soak your crucible in a 25% hydrochloric acid solution. If you encounter more persistent stains, a 1-to-1 mixture of concentrated hydrochloric and nitric acid, known as aqua regia, can be highly effective. Remember, always perform these acid treatments inside a fume hood to ensure proper ventilation and safety. After the chemical treatment, thorough rinsing is crucial. Rinse your crucible multiple times with distilled water to ensure all acid and dissolved residues are completely gone. This prevents any contamination in future experiments. Once rinsed, place the crucible in an oven and dry it at 110 degrees Celsius for approximately 10 hours to remove all moisture. For the final step, heat the crucible slowly in a furnace up to 900 degrees Celsius. This high-temperature firing will burn off any lingering organic contaminants and stabilize the crucible's structure. After it cools naturally, store your clean silica crucible in a dry, dust-free place. Proper cleaning ensures its longevity and optimal performance for all your future laboratory work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.